Alrighty, we're out here at Corn Farms and we're going to be installing something so that this can be a trailer pulling princess. Big heavy son of a bitch right there. We're going to install her in, we're going to pull the bed off and get going on her. So we'll come back to you with the bed off. Alright, we got the old shit box off. She's bare framed. We got on the fifth wheel plate and we got the gooseneck plate. We got the two front bolts in. And got these two little spacers in there. You can't see them, but they're there.
What the fuck you do that for?
And then we gotta weld these two boys on here tomorrow. Spacer. And then bolt that and then throw the bed back on and she'll be in mint. So we're back at her today and we figured while we got the bed off we might as well fix this little problem. She's all rusted and putting the trailer on that's probably not the very smartest thing to do. So we went out to the junkyard, got a new one today. We're going to install that before we commence with our gooseneck plate project. Got the new guy on there. Got the new bolts in there. We just got to get it all tightened up and put the spring back on. We got the holes drilled and the bolts in for the fifth wheel plate, or gooseneck plate. Both sides, I got the nut on over there. That just needs tightened up. We'll tighten up the backs and then the fronts. We got to weld the spacers on right there. And then she'll be golden. Alright, we got that. The leaf all bolted back up. That's good to go. We got this all the way torqued down. We got the spacers squeezed in there, so we're gonna go give those a couple welds just so they don't go anywhere. And yeah, money. Alright, so we were welding over here, or Garrett was anyway, and hot metal, gas holes. Hot metal, gas holes. It went up in flames for a little while. We both had a little mini heart attacks for a second, and then he had the great idea to smother it out, and we got her smothered out, and then we choked her with rags, and then kept welding. We both shit ourselves a little bit, but we're all good. He just wanted it out of his barn, the selfish prick. He just had the strongest hankering to come out here and power wash the old frame off. Told him it wasn't worth it because it'll be dirty in a week or two, but oh well. Alright, we got the bed all forklift up. Heck of a lot easier than before. Alright, you're not centered whatsoever, but hold on, let me get out. Whoa, let me get out. Let me look.
It's just that picture there, bro.
What's a hit? Go forward. You gotta go forward yet, some. A little more. Yeah, that's a good place to start. Alright, hold on, let me out. Tilt. Yep, perfect. Yeah, sweet. Got to get that little board out of there and then we can keep going. It's pretty close. It's got to go forward a little and
We gotta get the board out of there.
line it up good, but she'll be good. Back here at the home base and we got her all squared away. We got the hole cut in her. From the outside, you never even knew We didn't install, so she's cherry.